Hi, my name is Tracy Mooney from Keepsake Quilting, and I'm here today to tell you about KQ Gold. So, what's KQ Gold, do you ask? It's an amazing club from Keepsake Quilting that offers discounts, special offers, and free gifts. Let's dive in. Similar to Prime or Walmart Plus, KQ Gold is a membership program that anyone can join. For a fee of $99 per year, you get free shipping on orders over $35. This includes orders over $35 on our Block of the Month, Medley of the Month, and Backpack of the Month quilting clubs. Our customers outside of the continental United States get shipping deals too. What makes this program unique is that once you sign up, you get a KQ Gold welcome gift just for joining. Plus, you get surprise gifts throughout the year. So these gifts have a total value of over $100. In addition, if you're familiar with our KQ loyalty points, for every $20 spent, instead of earning $1, you earn 2. Plus, you get KQ cash for your birthday. You also get special deals available only to KQ Club members direct to your inbox. So don't take my word for it. Here are a few reviews left by happy KQ Gold members. Also this. And finally, so if you've looked at rising shipping costs lately, this program is a no-brainer. It's an incredible value that quickly pays for itself in shipping fees, gifts, and bonuses. Go to keepsakequilting.com to learn more, or click the link below to be taken directly to the KQ Gold page. Thank you so much for watching, and happy quilting, friends.